guys. We actually got the squad with us today. We got my brother Mike, Eli, Jacksonator. We went to go get Violet's ultrasound done today, and she has one puppy in her. I'm about to bring out the chatterbait.
That's why I get the little thing. You have to watch you.
Come on, you little shit.
Yeah. Hey. Hello?
Yeah. Come on, man. God, I hate going through this shit, dude. Dude, whatever, dude. Dude, this is so fucking annoying, man. It's like, bro, how the fuck does that fucking happen, bro? Deal with you guys later. Fourth of July weekend. Chatterbait and urchin. Alright, where you want to go? Left or right? Left. Yeah, look at all that. See there's fish underneath there. See that? Is Anthony coming tomorrow?
Yeah, he said he's going too.
Urgent. Down to go wherever. Let's go over there.
On top?
Yeah, they should be loaded over there. You haven't talked to Wiz?
He be calling me about me, answer.
Okay.
I mean, we could talk on like an hour ago. He left me today too, though. Oh, it has a crane, huh?
Mm-hmm.
On the boat, we only got one.
Fuck, dude.
Come on, guys, just walk down with it.
It's horrible. What are you fishing with, Jack? Eli? Wacky rig. You gotta twitch it. Give it some action. There you go.
Is that you guys' white truck right there?
Yes, sir.
Hey, just a heads up, you can't park back here unless you've got a permit. See that sign right there?
Okay.
Your truck could get towed, I'm just saying.
Okay.
This is all permit parking back here, but the first 4 stalls up there in that parking section.
In the
there,
little one? In the little?
Yeah, in that
Okay.
little parking lot, those first 4 are public. You'll see the sign that says
Public
permit
parking?
and public parking.
Okay.
All right? Right on, man. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Happy 4th of July. Oh, shit. Nothing? Bass right there. Yeah, there's a bass right there. Yeah, won't hook me.
Yeah, that's fine. It's all paid for $10. You want me to give you this for you?
Michael, we should go to Mickey Grove. You down? I'll pay, bro. Yeah, but we can catch fish in that pond all day in there. The kids will have a blast. I'm down to go, bro. I just want some action, you know?
Right now?
I mean, I'm down. I'll pay and everything, bro. Oh, what?
I want to let the Mickey Grove fish.
Oh, a car seat. I saw that.
I want to let the Mickey Grove fish. Daddy, I want to go to Mickey Grove fish. I want to go.
Bro, we could for sure catch a fish over there. My God. Bro, there's 3-pounders in that pond, bro. We can catch. We can literally see them with our eyes. What's wrong, Jax? What is he crying about now? I mean, I know for a fact there's fish over on the other side of these dogs. God damn, I should have never said anything.
Yeah.
I mean, we can for sure catch a fish for the boys, bro. It's all for the boys, bro, for sure. Watch, you want to see something crazy? Watch, look at this cast. Mike, look at this cast. Ready? Watch, look at this. Got him. My God. You can say it all day now. He just keeps saying it now. So how will we get there? What's the fastest way from here? We hit 99? Hit 99 and we'll be there in like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, bro. 99. No, but it's off 99.
my word, that's how fast the time's coming. I probably said to go back to the house, get the car then.
I wonder if we could bring beer in there. I don't think so.
What?
You think we could bring beer?
I did.
I mean, have you ever been fishing over there?
Which one are we talking about? 8 Mile or
Mickey Grove Park.
Oak Grove Park?
You're thinking of Oak Grove. I'm talking about Mickey Grove.
We've been over there. I was fishing over there.
So they have a pond. They have a little pond that has like a fountain in it, and they have fish all in it, bro. You can literally see them.
That's at Oak Grove.
No, that's a big pond. It's a big lake. Look at that bass right there. You see it? Watch, look. You see the little baby bass?
Where?
They got 3-pounders in that fountain, bro.
Yeah, we've been over there. We never caught nothing though.
Telling you. It's 4th of July weekend. We're supposed to have fun.
Right now.
You have to end the video though, Drax. It's gonna be 2 videos. He's pissed. We're supposed to have a good day, Jax. Sorry, Mike. Oh, okay, I am good. Sorry. It's a shit show.
Not bad right now. Hold on. It's not bad. Now it's bad.
See what you did, Jax?
He's all mad. He's mad because he wants me to go right there with him to get the worms.
Why is he mad?
He wants me to go right there to get the worms.
Toss that worm in there with all them bluegill in the pond. They'll have so much fun. All right, one more cast and we're out. Funny when you Uno más. Damn, how many fucking times she call you? Oh, damn. All right, we're going to Mickey Grove right now. Let's go, boys. Say bye, Eli, to the camera. Where are we going?
Mickey Grove.
And where are we gonna catch?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.